Mirena's professional services are not what I expected. I expected a consultant who would be more focused on the cases and the inventory and the volume of cases and how to get more cases. And that's really not what we focused on. And so the way that I would describe her service is holistic, coming in, hanging out, getting to know everyone, pulling Sam and I out of our business, out of our homes, off of a video conference and into a unique environment where we can sit and meet, put the phones away, had an agreement not to check email, not to respond to text messages, but just to collaborate and brainstorm. The way I would describe the services is it's not what I expected, but it's what I needed. And we've been able to accomplish so much in this past 9 months, and I'm really looking forward to see what happens in the next 9 months.